How to enable Chrome's new feature to warn you about resource hogging tabs. If you often keep too many tabs open in Chrome, you've probably noticed your PC slows down after a while. Google Chrome now has a hidden feature in its latest beta version that warns you when a particular tab is using too many system resources. Here's a quick guide to enable this useful feature. Step 1. Download Chrome Canary. To try this feature, you'll need to install Chrome Canary, a special version of Chrome that allows you to test new features. Download it from Google's website. Step 2. Access hidden Chrome settings. Once Chrome Canary is installed, open the browser and type Chrome//flags in the address bar, then press Enter. In this section, search for the following two flags: Performance Intervention UI, Performance Intervention-Demo mode. Enable both flags. Step 3. Restart your computer. After enabling the flags, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Step 4. Enable performance alerts. After restarting, launch Chrome Canary and type Chrome/settings/performance in the address bar, then press Enter. In the Settings page, you should now see an option called Performance Issue Alerts. Enable this to start receiving warnings about resource hogging tabs. Now you'll be notified whenever a tab is using too many resources, helping you decide if you should close it to improve performance. This feature